Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay October 23, 2023 Monday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. Legit Games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. result ngayong October 23, 2023 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. result ngayong Monday, October 23, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for October 23, 2023, Monday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 26 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 45 million pesos for Monday, October 23, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of October 23, 2023, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.